everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of animated things, which is going to be our arrow. And I'm gonna do it on the Figma. And this is going to be a little bit with the prototype. If you don't know what's the meaning of prototype, go to my channel and you're gonna see there is a tutorial for beginners. In this playlist, you can find the Figma for tutorial. No, actually, Figma tutorials for beginners lesson number 3, and you can learn about the prototype more. But today, what we are going to learn is going to be like how to make the animations on Figma, which is not going to be not much for the all animation. It is going to be the arrow that you can use. We're gonna learn it how to make it by clicking and not clicking. But if you want to know much more about animations on Figma, stay tuned. I'm gonna have another video on that, or maybe before uploading this video onto my channel, you can see this video first. Let's get started. First, let's go back to our design area, which is Figma. Here I have the, first and the second form of this frame. What are we gonna do? We're gonna use the arrow, which is Shift plus L, and I'm gonna hit my tab on my Shift, and I'm gonna drag my arrow here. But you see that this arrow is a little bit invisible. That's why, and also too thin. I'm gonna make it like this, and I'm gonna change the heading of this arrow, which is gonna be that, and it's a little bit too big of this. Yes, like that. And also I'm gonna hold my Shift. I'm gonna make it a little bit short, and I'm gonna duplicate it, or pressing the Alt on my keyboard like this. And I'm gonna make it adjustable to my design to make it look really good. See? Like this. What are we going to do? We have to make sure that this is here, this is here, and this is here. We have to be like make sure that this is on this is 1. You see, our arrow 2 is here, but we have to make sure that it's on inside of our 1, and I'm dragging it. You will not see it, and you can make it visible by clipping the content here, which I can't see why, I don't know. And yeah, here, clip content, you can see. Oh, I had to why, I don't know. Yeah, I was making a tutorial for myself, that's why. Anyway, let's go to the prototyping. And I'm gonna make it prototype, not after delay, I'm gonna make it on click. And I'm gonna make it gentle. And I'm gonna test it a little bit and see how it works. Let's see. Not good. I didn't like it. Let's make it inside of our frame. R key, not this one. This is another thing that I was, oops, something is broken down about this. Not good. That's why what we should do. We should delete our prototyping, go to our design again, make sure that this one is duplicated, or pressing the Alt is here again. But arrow 2 is inside of our, this is arrow 2, this is also arrow 2, but we have to make sure that this is a the naming the same thing. This is inside of our arrow 1. See? And we are prototyping again. We have to make it on click, instant, smart animate. We can make it gentle but easy out and back. Let's see. See, like this. It is going like that. But what can we do? We don't want to, click on it. We just want it to pop up just, out of nowhere. We can do it like this. Again, on prototyping, we can do after delay. We can do ease in and out. Oops, like this. Let's see. See? It's like this. We can make it also gentle. Let's do the gentle one. R. Oh, again, and make me crazy. I don't know why it's coming all the time. That's also good. Let's try with the bouncy one. Let's try with the bouncy one. With the bouncy one. It's like this. Let's try with the slow one. I love making everything work on this Figma. It's also really good. But I don't like the color of those. I want to change their color. And I want to make their stroke 3. I want to make their color this one. And let's see. Oh, it's also not good. But anyway. Ooh, that's awesome. But what should we do is we should make them smaller. We should make them smaller and right over here. Let's see. Oh, yeah, again. No, something is wrong with this. Again, we have to make sure that yes, it's inside. Sometimes it's happening to the Figma. That's the only way it is to closing it and down. Make it gentle. Make it work again. We can also do it like this. Shift, enter. No, shift prototype. Yeah, shift, space. I hold the space on the keyboard and I don't know what happened to it, but you know what's the deal. I'm gonna make it work. Just a minute. Here we go again. I just did closing down the Figma and opened up again. And I want to see how it works. If it's happening to you, it's normal actually. But the thing is not, it sometimes happens on Figma. We can do smart animate and we can do gentle, ease and bow. Let's see. Yeah, it's like this. I hope you like this video, everyone, and I hope you can also handle your problem with the Figma and you can tell me what you did for the solution. And if you have any question, comment below. If you have any idea, comment below. I'm so open to every feedback. Hope to see you again next time and bye bye. See you.